Y'all, we gotta go back upstairs because they just informed me that there was a balcony up here. I went right by the window and didn't even look out of it. Let's see. All right, so when you come in, you got stairs right here. We're gonna go upstairs and see what's upstairs. That's big. Ooh, look at the tub, y'all. I'm so glad it's a tub like this up in shower. And the shower is... Hey y'all, this is a different kind of video. I'm coming at y'all with y'all. Me and Bae, we actually took advantage of the vacation and it's going on us a vacation. Hold on, let me take a picture right here. But we're going on us a vacation. I'm gonna show y'all where we're going when we get where we're going to be at when we get there. If y'all think y'all know where we're going right now as you're watching this video, leave a comment down below and let me know where y'all think me and Bae is going for our vacation. We is going to be there for 5 days and I intend on enjoying every bit of it. I needed y'all, he needed, and we just need us a restart. So yes, we're going to be soaking up some of this sun, baby. And I'm going to renew my citizenship. If y'all know what I'm talking about when I say that, then that should let you know where we're going at, but not exactly the location. So if y'all know when I say I'm going to renew my citizenship, y'all let me know where that's at. But what state that is. And then leave a comment down below if y'all think y'all know where we're going. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Gotta use the bathroom. We at the rest area, the rest stop, and I gotta use the bathroom. Got to use the bathroom. This is a smaller bathroom. All right, so I'll see y'all in a minute. All righty, on the way we go to get back in the car on the road. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all excited? I know y'all been needing a little trip. I know y'all been needing a little trip just as bad as me. I wonder if he's still in his car. Sound like it's running. All right, y'all, let's ride. Alrighty, y'all, so we made it in the Airbnb that we gonna be staying in for the week. So I'm gonna show y'all around and let y'all see what it looks like up in here. I ain't really been all the way through it. I just came through the door and into the kitchen and the living room. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like up in here. Let's get it. Y'all ready for this tour? All right, so when you come in, you got stairs right here. It's a townhouse, and to the left is a bedroom with a queen size bed, TV, nice size bed. Mirror closet over there. Then you gotta walk through to the bathroom here, but I'm gonna come back out of the room to show y'all. Okay, so you can walk through this way and go into the bathroom this way, or you can go into the bathroom through your bedroom from here. So yeah, okay. The shower is nice, deep tub I like. All right. Toilet and sink. Just come on back out. Then we'll come on down the hall into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Nice size kitchen. Nice size kitchen. Stove, refrigerator, nice countertop, sink. Then this is the living room. Got your table bar stools to the counter, TV over on the wall, recliner, got your chair here, okay? And that's a let out bed, that chair is. Okay, so then we're gonna go upstairs and see what's upstairs. That's they struggling with the stuff. All right, so we're gonna come on up the stairs. Nice tile floors. All right, into the master bedroom with a king size bed. King size bed. Okay, there you go. King size bed, and you got a couch up here. You got your TV. Oh, look at the bathroom. I don't know what is the bathroom going to. And, oh, look at the tub, y'all. I'm so glad it's a tub like this up in. Hey, I'm so glad it's a tub up in here like this. Y'all look at the shower. I mean, you got mirrors. And then there's like the jacuzzi tub, I guess. I don't know. It's just a deep tub. I'm gonna just say deep tub because it don't have no jets or nothing on it. So it's a deep tub. Then this is the closet. And mirrors all the way across the closet. Okay, the ironing board and extra pillows and all that over there. Big closet. Nice long closet. Then his and her sink over here on this side. Then you got the shower. And the shower is like this right here. Yes, this nice, y'all. It's really nice. Yes, I like this tub. I can't wait to get in that tub. Oh, and this the bathroom. I was wondering what this was. I turn the light on. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's another closet over here. Oh, this must be the washer and dryer. Yep. Washer and dryer upstairs in this closet. Okay. So then you got this here. I don't know what that door is right there, but it's locked. So you got this here in here. Okay. Then we'll go back downstairs. Is this the light too? I don't know what that light is too. That light go to something over there though. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go back downstairs. Oh, then they have a pocket door here to close the bathroom off. Pocket door. Okay. So we're gonna go back downstairs. Did you go? Let's see the bathtub. And so we're gonna go outside. We got a balcony out here. All right, so we got a balcony out here with a swing. It's hot out here too. I'm glad I brought my fan. At least I can use my fan. So I got a swing, and it's overlooking some water. Overlooking some water. And it goes that way. And it comes back and goes down that way. So, And then you got your little table and chairs over here on this side. Nice little sitting area out here. So yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So that's the Airbnb. I will catch y'all up later on where we at and the things that we'll be doing. So I hope that y'all enjoy these videos coming up of Bay and I little vacation, you know, for the week. And yeah, y'all make sure y'all ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button. And if you was new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I'll see y'all in the next one. To the door, they got a little screen door where you can leave your door open. You can lock the screen. You can lock the screen, and it's a little patio, little sitting area out here, but it's a neighbor right there, so I don't know if anybody over there, but yeah. All right, y'all, so that's it. That's it. They bring you the bed.
Me.
All right. I'll see y'all later. Welcome to my channel if you was new once again, if I didn't finish saying that. And I'm out. Y'all, we got to go back upstairs because they just informed me that there was a balcony up here. I went right by the window and didn't even look out of it. Let's see. Look at him. Feet kicked up. Look at him. Okay, right here. Chilling.
Hot.
But I got my blower fan though.
Look at my face.
I'm just saying.
Look at my face.
Ain't
even been out here that long.
It was 100 degrees today. Ain't no telling what the humidity is.
Act like he can't read.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So I wonder where the pool is from here. I know it's got to be more than one. Remember I told you several pools.
I'm out of town. With my yeah.
Right off the bedroom.
You know what your baby gonna take my
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let's check the bed out. Oh, okay. It seems like it's pretty decent enough. Decent enough. Decent enough. Decent. I'm happy, y'all. I'm glad we took this trip. I'm so glad we needed it. I wasn't going to do it at first, but then I was like, you know what? We going. So I'm glad I did make my mind up to go. It was the right decision. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that was it. So that's the view.